po sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating birthday celebrant. Walang iba kundi si Ma'am Rona Sarmento ng Purok 2, Barangay Quintong, San Carlos City, Pangasinan. So ma'am, matanong na kita ma'am, may idea ka na po ba kung kaninong galing po ang supletang ito para sa inyo? So alam niyo na po ma'am, sure po kayo. Sure po kayo sa kanila galing po ito ma'am. Ma'am, so ma'am, may pinadalang sender, sulat po ang ating sender para sa inyo at babasahin ko na po ma'am. Dear B, I know that only know each other for a very short period of the time, but it seems that I already know you for so long. I hope that while we continue to know each other, this love will continue to grow. I also pray that in the future our true love for each other will show. I love you very much, baby. Mama Chuk Chuk. Love, Big Carl. So ma'am, may masabi po ba kahit sa ating sender ma'am? Yan na lang po.
Thank you, babe. Na-surprise ako kasi sabi niya kasi di daw niya pa-i-process. Eh, bukas pa naman yung birthday ko. Thank you so much. I love you too.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So sa family members naman po, ang nasabi po ba kayo kay ma'am? Wala po. So kanta na lang po namin kayo ng happy birthday ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ma'am, happy birthday po. Hintayin na lang po natin yung cake po namin. Blow niya lang po. Blow na lang po namin. Wish and blow na lang po namin. Count of 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. So once again, happy birthday po ma'am. Happy birthday Ma'am Rona Sarmento ng Purok 2, Barangay Quintong, San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Happy birthday po ma'am.